like your average size tangle, just so like people have an general awareness. And then this is like, I guess like a medium-ish in the larger sizes. And then I have the chrome one, which I don't even remember when I bought it. Here, I'll use my black sweater as a... And then we got this one. Again, it's like the size of my like abdominal area. And then this one. Oh my goodness, hold on, she is tangled. Get it? Because it's a tangle. But yeah, I can literally wear them like this. It's like ring toss. So yeah, those are the bigger tangles, and this is your normal size tangle. I hope that helps.